There it is. Hello, everybody. I was just scrolling on YouTube until I found this horror game called the Mudmyth Sound. It's one of those Mickey Mouse, Steamboat Willie horror games. So I'm just gonna get into the beginning here. Let's see what this game is about. I only watched a bit of the YouTube video to see what it was. Left mouse button. Huh? Ah, I see. Oh! Right on time, Mike. Do me a favor and hit the pump there next to you. Use the hammer a couple of times. This old boat can barely stay afloat these days. Pump it until the meter is filled up. Uh-huh. Am I doing this right? You going deaf, Mike? Pump the repair pump behind me until the meter is full. I will repair the ship's integrity for a while. Yeah, I'm just fucking around, don't mind me. Got you hold her for a while. Plus, there's that cursed bell going off again from the looks of our map up here. Up there. It seems like there's another breach at the back end of the ship. Well, the ship's taking damage again. Get that there and hammer out that breach. Come back and see me when you're done. Scroll down. Okay. Hey, and Mike, be careful. That light could mean there's something else on the ship. Just watch yourself. We've all heard these rumors. Gotcha. Press Alt to see the map of where you are in the ship. Interesting controls. Bridge, kitchen bow, whole cabin, bridge base, and stern. Thanks, game. Moving on. Oh yeah, we have to fix these. Remember, click on the breach with the left mouse button to fix it. Controls can be changed in settings. I don't really think I need to change nothing. Nice little 3D pattern going on back there. What else can we do? Can't go down to that trap door I'm dying to go to. Huh? What you doing, man? Hold on there, Mike. I feel a bump down in the hole just a moment ago. Jump on down there and make sure we didn't rupture anything, will ya? Don't forget to take your lantern down there with you. The lights down there have been a bit finicky lately. Bring out your lantern by pressing W. I've got to get back to the bridge. Alright. Now I can finally go in. I can barely read what that says. Dang, this is creepy. A bit. This mouse can't get a hold. Mike can't get a good hold on this freaking limb. Is that a corpse? Not funny, game. Now, whose head is that? What do you want me to do here? Oh, it's one of those games. I'm not sure I want to leave, do I? Yup, he's gone. Yup, there it is. Okay, so that was a tutorial. Let's play the actual game. The rest. Before we do, I don't want to do Never Lose yet. I want to at least try the game first. Let's do 10 hearts. Play. Dang, what did I do to Mike? Mike, is that you? Blame I don't quite recognize. Never you mind. It must be a trick of the light. Keep to your work afloat while you're out there. To the passengers, they will keep to your work. Let's keep this thing afloat. While you're out there, try to talk to the passengers. They will probably get more talkative in the next couple of hours. Talk to me at the start of the new hour, and I'll let you know if anyone's down here needs something from you. And if you're planning on following through with the passengers' requests, make sure you do what they want before hammering down all the issues on board. If you did repair all the issues first, time will pass quickly. The opportunity to assist the passenger will be over. Now get out there. Hold up. What happened to our boy Mike? I'm guessing when his head got squashed in the tutorial, his head changed or something. Alright, let's talk to you. Something's not right, Mike. What's gotten into you? Or you've been acting so strange lately. Mike? So I'm gonna take a fair guess. Either Mike's got his head squashed like that, or that guy who killed us. I mean, killed me. Sure, this is YouTube, but it's me playing the game. The guy who killed Mike. At least, well, I remember his face, and that looks almost exactly the same. So he must have took his face off like we saw, and like somehow put his head on, or something like that. Furthermore, let's read the dialogue. Yeah, she's scared. Maybe Mike is fine. I have my doubts. This just looks goofy. Like, why, bro? I don't know why this is necessary. The talk. Good day to you, I say. There won't be perchance be a way to speed this vessel along, would there now? I doubt it. You? This one's quietly mumbling to himself in a language I don't immediately recognize. Okay, maybe it is the same dude we're playing as. Keep to your work, boy. I'm a busy man. Sure as hell you are. Okay, let's see what else is there to do. I believe we can still check our map. Yeah. Does it all just end right here with this dude? Let's see what else he has to say. Okay, just same dialogue. Okay. Back onto it. Well, we know what we gotta do. Fix these. New $15. So what's new this time? Oh, we can actually go around here. First, before we get lost, I'm gonna go up. Who's this? Useless. Do not open. Why is it open? Oh, there's some passengers here. And there's a kitchen. Finally more of the map. Alright, let's talk to some people. Oh, it still goes? Let's talk to this dude. Oh, that's not a human. Or that's not a person, is it? Bugger off. 1212 AC. 1 2 rats, I've lost it. Alright, 1 and 2, 1 2 1 2. Alright. There's so many people. This one is busy looking miserable. I don't care what I'm supposed to be playing right now. I have enough of this hoo-ha. This one's busy being obnoxious. Good weather for it, chap. I insist you please leave me alone. Hello, sailor. I find your stare quite unsettling, young man. Go about your business before I summon your superior. We can't help no one. What was the captain talking about? Who the squawk are you? Whatever, give me money. Ah! We can buy shit. Huh. Can we afford anything? I think I sell them out, right? Oh. I only have $15 in this game? Bitter lantern is probably something I want, and maybe a few bandages. Let me just repair that for you. Yeah, okay, buddy. You do whatever the hell you want. Alright, let's go here first. Lantern. Oh, I can actually, like, move it around. I didn't notice that with my mouse before. Huh. Odd. This leads to nothing. Looks a bit weird in here. I'm just searching around. Nothing there. This must be the big spot. A chair? Oh, I don't like this. Am I screwed? What are you doing still up? I don't like... This game isn't figuratively terrifying, but I still don't like it. Anything new? Nothing? I'm almost at a loss of what to do. Alright, let's see where else I can go. Tab. I mean, no alt. Kitchen, bridge, bow, whole cabin, stern. Monster book? As soon as I know them, maybe I will be lucky. Can't walk past this dude. I'll keep looking. I'm not one to give up that quickly. But what is there to do? Alright, Wills. Can I go in here? I was trying to go down there. Piss off. Oh, I can hold down. A little detail. What if I hammer the chair? A. I am the ruler of the underground. Alright, that's enough. This game isn't unfinished, right? That'd be shitty if it was. Huh. Huh. That's oddly interesting. Yeah, why does the game kind of look like that? Oh, never mind. That's just that area. Oh, I can walk past the kitchen. Ah, I see. Finally, somewhere new. Oh, it's so. Gosh, damn. Well, that's shitty. What is there to do on this damn boat? Maybe I could go back and talk to the dude. Cool. Oh, I can do this again. Oh, I can't. Oh, are we have to wait until danger happens? Are we screwed? What if I ring the bell? Yeah. What else can I do? I'm just gonna try to destroy things. Huh. I'm a little bit at a loss. Is that all this game has? Probably should have watched the video a bit to feel. Oh, I didn't see you. Little shithead. Whew. Level clear. Progress. Well, that was shitty. Thank goodness there's something. Don't know how I saw that. Okay, what's up, dude? One of the members of the band was grumbling about something to me, but I didn't catch all the story. Go near him out for me. Go hear him out for me. Also, Mike, are you doing alright? You look a little different. Okay. We're not doing that again. At least we need to. Did you try talking to that sad-looking guy with a trombone? Not yet. I should probably talk to him first because, like, the game did say if I just do my the dude did say if I just do my duties, and there'll be no time to talk. Just piss off. Swin's busy looking miserable. Talk to me. Oh, is it this guy? Listen close, sport. I want you out of here, you see. Think you can help me? I need to cause a sort of distraction. Someone on your boat is a black suitcase with an X. Okay? Attention now. I want you to find that suitcase and break it. Can you do that for me? When you do, I'm gonna make a run for it. Got that, sport? Gotcha. Alright, I think I should save up my money instead of just keep on pushing that thing down. Alright, let me find that suitcase for you. Let's see, where's it at? Here, perhaps? Nope, I can fix that for some money. Jump. There it is. Item available in the kitchen shop. Let's see, is there anything new? Yeah, do I need to go to the kitchen shop? Let's check here real quick before I go to the kitchen shop. Quick little repair. Bro really ran for it. Cool, I can't afford shit though. I should probably save. Taters. Alright. We just have to find things to fix now. Alright, let's see what we can talk. Did you hear some kind of explosion? Jiminy Christmas. What the blazes is going on around here? Eh. You got nothing to say. Of course you do. Whatever. Okay, nothing new. Nothing here, per usual. I'm guessing we want to go back underground. Stay dead. Wait, no light. Fix for you. Okay, $50. Whatever you want to call them. Any more repairs around here? Oh, I believe that's a new puddle. Trust me, I pay pretty good attention to detail. Warning, do not connect. Oh, that's what that said. Yes. Alright, so what is there to do? The only thing about this game is it takes some time to learn how to do some shit. Or know what to do, rather. I don't know. There. That's gonna be the last time I think I'm doing that shit. Legitimate. Push. Like, does it really matter if the ship were to explode or something? Alright, I'm broke. Let's see. You, anything new? So you're just gonna stand here, right? Looking like a creepy fuck. What you up to? am I doing with it? I would love to progress to level 2. Alright, let's just look for anything to repair. Chair the same. Okay, what? Can't go in there. What's Mike been doing when we aren't playing him? Hold up. Is there more people? Am I crazy? Yeah, I'm just crazy. Can't walk past you. Hold up. Let's see where I haven't went. No, no monsters. Bridge. Whole cabin. This is a small map. Like, what is there to do? Oh, hold up. Do you want me to check outside? No? What did I do with the suitcase problem, do? Oh, the ship is sinking. Hit the pump, hit the pump. I can't. I can't. Are we gonna die? Well, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. No repairs, no money. You're actually about to die. All I can do is just stay around the dude and see what happens. Can't. Can't. There's nothing I know I can do, so I guess I'm just gonna have to come back here. I'll be right back. Hold up. I just stopped the recording, but then there was a warning. Let's just see what happens. First, let me just... Okay, whatever. Sink is... Hit the pump ASAP. I can't. Ship is sinking. Hit the pump ASAP. Ship is sinking. Hit the pump ASAP. Nothing I can do, man. Why does hitting the pump cost money? You dickhead. You dick. We're probably gonna lose a life, aren't we? Likely. But there's nothing I can do. Alright, can we just die already, please? Well, I'll be back when I die or something. Okay, finally the ship has sunk. Let's try again. Okay, so... Same shit. Level 0. Let's just hurry up and get our duties done. And this time, let's actually not waste all my money. Alright, what's there to repair? Or do I have to talk to everybody first? As usual, there should be no one here. No, nothing. Alright, this. I can repair the ship just to get some cash. Just get through all this. Okay, the usual. Little leak. $30. Any more fixing I need to do? No? No, I'm pretty sure there was like one. Where'd it go? Okay, so it's good to know that little bit of blood was always there. Probably Mike's. If we can even call this Mike. Can we call this Mike realistically? Are you Mike? Because Mike does not look like this. Oh. Thanks, weirdo. Progress. Same dialogue. I'm not gonna break that this time. Okay, let's go talk to a little dude about his suitcase. Make a quick repair. $73. Should I really do that yet, or like... Mine as well. Mine as well. I have a feeling it has something to do with the story. Anything new with you, weirdo, Jimmy? No? The suitcase is gone. Weird. I guess I could just make that repair. Where'd your suitcase go, mate? Okay then. Where'd the suitcase go? Suitcase went bye-bye. Nope, it's right there. Oh boy. Oh, repair. There we go. Progress. So how's the ship doing? Good. There's a snotty little pocket thief down there that has just been picking out floorboards, searching for something. Then the old man in the back started making a ruckus about some gold coins. Go try to keep them from tearing the ship apart. Sure thing, Captain. Alright, let's go. What do you have to say? I saw Peter yelling at the young boy in front of the ship. Do you know what was wrong? I don't know, I'm just Mike. I'll come over here a minute and see, I've misplaced some gold coins. You're going to find them for me. I might even tip you if you find them fast, see? There should be about 5 of them around here. Hopefully, they haven't nabbed the nabs yet. We'll hop onto it, boy. I'll be waiting here. Alright, let me go complete this little task of this. Any gold coins in the hellscape? No. I don't want to fix things because it said that I can't help the dude then. Oh, this is a new room. Fine, one repair shouldn't kill me. Oh no, filler. That's 1 gold coin of yours. Do they just spawn? Yeah, they just spawn. What are you doing, Jimbo? I know that's probably not his real name. Jimmy. Still, it was still left at the end. Oh wait, because I still did the thing. Okay, 1 more coin left. Alright, when's the weird shit gonna happen? Any minute now. Probably, right? Okay, coins. No. Where's your 5th coin, feller? probably gonna be in the kitchen. Make a quick repair. I don't think I'm ready yet. I haven't did bros. I haven't helped him yet. Does he talk? Yeah, I haven't found your 5th gold coin. I'm not ready. How's your last coin at? I'm not buying nothing until I know it's safe. I'm guessing this last coin's in the next night. Fair to ask? Hopefully. The tall gentleman in the back. So there is a Jiminy. Mike, acting like he's so smart. An uproar. Got out his booming mind. Talking in circles, I say. You need to go quiet him down. Just tell him whatever he needs to hear. Make him shut the hell up. We could make some repairs, but not until necessary. The tall guy who keeps looking at you. Watch out for him, Mike. So, oh, so the task really didn't matter. Talk. Maybe there is different endings. My good man, I have something terribly urgent to say, and I warned you this may sound a bit screwy. If you catch my drift, you see there's something odd going aboard this very vessel. I know, I died in the tutorial. Well, applesauce, I'll go and be blunt about it. Passengers, they are disappearing. And I know what you're thinking. This man is surely off his rocker. Well, good sir, please believe me when I tell you. There's far less passengers currently on board than when we departed. Don't believe me? Well, go down and see for your own eyes. I've counted and recounted the number of passengers. You tell me how many there are on the ship and let this into you tell the truth. He's probably right, though. Let me go check the area where everybody was singing before. It's this dude, ain't it? It's you, isn't it? You're the little imposter. I'm getting more and more nervous to go down here each time. Yup, what the fuck was that? There comes the weird stuff. Yeah, there's one less passenger, but that's a dude that left. Any new dialogue? So I don't think he ran, he got killed. We have one less passenger. I could probably buy something. Ooh, hell yeah, stronger lantern. I'll buy it. Good doing business. Now where do I check my items? Oh, there's a new monster. This one has an exceptionally thin body and doesn't want to move while the light... Oh, so I would have died if the lantern wasn't on. Which is strange. I don't understand what would cause that behavior. I need to be careful with this one. It's very fast if I lose eye contact. It will waste no time in its attack. Okay, nothing new. Okay. So my light's just brighter. Let's just do my repairs. So, alright, let's go talk to Mr. Jimmy. Gentlemen. So then what did you find? Okay, hold up. Okay, so what's the actual number? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna count them as 4, but not. So we have 4 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So about 12. 13. 13, 13, 13. 13. 12. What the fuck you mean? It's... Did I miscount? Then is it 11? Fine. Is it actually 14? Does the bird count? F off. Oh, so he wants everybody. I didn't count this dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 15. Is that your lucky number? To make you shut your trap? 15. The fuck you mean, motherfucker? 16. Oh, it was 16. Good. Yes, that's it. Do you see what I mean now? Yeah, mate. New item in the shop. Nah, I think I'm gonna avoid going down there as much as possible. So, do you count? I'm pretty sure I counted you. Maybe he's just a normal, non-talkative passenger. Keeps looking at his watch. Watch out for a mic. Why speak like that? These guys are all jolly holly. Okay, I was hoping I could keep moving here. Speaking of this game, I love the art. Go back to this dude, maybe. He's gone. Holy shit. Holy shit. Who's? What? Where'd he go? Let's make a quick repair. 2. Where'd he go? The captain. Where did the captain go? We are so dead, and nobody knows it. Lantern. So screwed. So screwed. We're so effing screwed. We're not making it out. If the captain's not here, people are disappearing. Birdie, the captain's gone, Birdie. Any more repairs I need to make? Or more talking? Maybe if I talk to this studio. I can't tell you. Captain's gone. We are so fucked. Repairs. Where can I make some repairs? Well, there's my repairing. Progress. How many levels are there? No captain to talk to. Oh my goodness. Is she scared enough? That little guy with the accent, he kept trying to hand me some trash or something. I got nervous. Oh god. Good day. I see. Nothing new? Ooh, that's a weird spot to put something to be repaired in. You. Huh. Goofball left. Do I really want to go down here at this time? I'm on no pussy. Nothing new. I don't like you. Get back up. That was actually stressful. I think that guy's up to something. Took my book. It doesn't say he's a monster. Really odd. Talk. Talk. He is under the ship. Whew, he's under the ship. He's under the ship. Oh god, is he under the ship? Captain's gone. We're probably doomed. Okay, this fella. My good fella, I'm delighted to see your ever-grinning face. I'm in a pickle and I think I need you to... I think you can help me. There's several documents I need to destroy, and alas, for reasons I must not disclose, I can destroy the documents. I cannot destroy them myself. Could you do me a simple favor? I need to carry around the lantern and simply go in front of the ship where the papers are located and burn them with your lantern. It's easy as breaking an arm. Here we go. Fix. Okay, progression. This is pretty fun so far. Just doing around our tasks. Do some good repairs. Okay, it's night. It's never good when it's night. Where the hell's everybody? Repair. I don't like that nobody's here. Where's my happy jolly music? I know it's a horror game. But Dudio. Kitchen? Birdie, you're still here. Bright light. The brightest of lanterns ain't even bright enough with your dim smile. It's nuts in that. Right stack. There's something wrong. Time to go underground. Something awaits. Okay, this game is giving me the creeps. Where haven't I went? I explored the entire ship. Pull it up. Check my good old map. There you are. Progress immediately. Is it just gonna get darker and darker and darker? Yep, same. Same old same. Good old passengers. They are not here. Still don't have enough for a brighter light. Oh, nope. It does that every time. Well, check my journal. Monsters there. Arm. Long ride stems from it. Unterminable location. I don't know how it does it, but there's a lot to learn. Need to be safe from its grabs as long as I keep moving it. And don't jump while it's above me. Although I've only seen a single arm in its body. There's no way it couldn't. That's just how mending works. How what works? Did it say mending? Just how... Yeah, mending. That's a weird word to use. Can I afford your ship yet? So we're now alone. No passengers. Fixing shit. like the fact that he's accepting my fate practically. Progress. Waste no time. Okay. 7 a.m. Anything new? Still these two monsters only. Nothing there. If I were to guess, level 10 is the last level. A little bit more. Oh, I can. Bright light. 2,000? Oh, it's 650. Thought it was 5. Sport. Nope, I'm good. That was weird. Well, gotta keep my guard up. Because he will probably shove. But only 512. I want the bright light. How's the ship doing? I didn't check. Ship? Okay, ship's okay. Poor little mouse just running on his own. No pals to help. Okay, okay. I had the lights! Okay, good to know it's not that terrifying. I don't have to be scared. Oh, I can't jump. You asshole. Huh. Huh. I don't want to die either. Is he only there for a limited time or something? Jump. Prepare. Prepare. Okay, we have $600. I probably wanna. I knew you were gonna, Handy. Oh, I need 25 more. Damn it. Repairing the ship, getting shit done. I don't know if you are my son. What happens if I do jump? Alright, I'm just trying to find all the outcomes. You lose your head. Unique. Jump. Nothing. Big old waste of time. How much money I got? Where's this last repair? Ship's safe. $600. Oh, not you, man. You do you. Bright light. Oh, is it costing more every round? So I have to try and get this right then. Okay, I gotcha. Is he camping here again? Nope. F off. Asshole. Caught me off guard like that. Okay, 7 or 10. Better go buy the better lantern. Now we're seeing shit. Thanks, pal. Repair. Probably want to do like one fix. Is this like FNAF? Or we got to stand to? I didn't see that dude. Okay, I'm losing too many lives. I need to get cautious. That shit caught me off guard for real. Damn game. Bus repair, I'm guessing. No? Or is this final repair? Who are you? I remember seeing the dude in the thing, the YouTube video, but how do I distract you? I recognize this mend. Is it the passengers? Seen it within the tower, but I also recognize it's still in body from somewhere. Fortunately, it's blind. It cannot hear me, but it can hear me repairing the. Oh! Also sense something if it moves close to it. I must be careful and hold still when it passes me. I'm just dreading of seeing one of them like this. Damn, bro. I knew another one was gonna come soon. But if I keep this death stuff, I might have to do the easy mode. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Few minor mishaps. Are we just waiting till 6 a.m.? Yes, we are. We are, aren't we? I'm a little bit more cautious now. Cautious. It's you. Howdy do, howdy. You're alive too? Since when? Damn, son. I stand mannequin. You don't stop chasing me. I might be able to breaks. It's okay. I guess I gotta break it. Okay, we got 4 monsters. I'd love to progress, bro. I should always have my lantern. This game was only messing with me the few first rounds. But oh god, if I said it was serious now. You can make this shit just cost more. You're actually an asshole. I'm scared. He's not the spawn. I'm probably just gonna let it move past. And run! That was so timed. You saw me right there. I almost met Christ. Hell yeah, I need speed. With that kind of shit going on. Okay, I'm not completely broke. No siree. always there, though. Progress me, please. Oh, so I got an ending. Missing Steamboat recovered with the crew's decapitated bodies found on board. This is where you would normally find the lore, but it's missing gas. The back to menu button doesn't work. Maybe if I actually downloaded the game. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna go find their bodies. I mean, like, do all the tasks I can. Alright, see you in the meantime.